recording, I'm going to be making Jigglypuff sounds, so this will not do, but I'm going to try my best. That's how I made the Jigglypuff sounds, but this is not. This is the other way I do it. Jigglypuff, 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 Jigglypuff. This is the other way. Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again.